Hi, so I'm going to do an unbox video on the G-6 Galaxy Airsoft Gun. Cal 6mm, I guess, superpower. So there's the back. And there's the front side. So yeah, I guess. This is what comes in there. You get the little like a little shell thing that was over the BBs, little crap of rubbish BBs, a clip, and then of course you've got the gun. So it's all metal on top. The bottom half is plastic. It's got a, I don't know if you can see, I dropped the clip button down here, and yeah, so that's kind of cool. I got it from Hobbytron, I believe, for about like $25. It's a really cheap gun. I just wanted to add it to my collection. And I mean, it doesn't look too great from the beginning, but it looks kind of cool, just like for fun. Alright, well, here, let me show you it's shooting. One sec, let me get these little babies. I can't find anyone else. I'll put them like 5 or something. Okay, that's good enough. So, I guess I can just shoot over there. Alright. One second. Okay. So, I don't know if you can see. So I'm gonna shoot for this target right there. Alright, one second. Alright, so here's the gun. Yeah. Here it goes. Alright. Not too bad. There. Let me show you. Oops. Not too bad. Alright, thanks YouTube. Thanks for watching. Comment, subscribe, rate if you want to. Not really a stickler on that, but see ya.